We're back with the friends, and they came back to life for no reason. Alright, so here's Satan, Officer Rick Grimes, and Paco. So everyone's still alive for some reason. So they're just walking around one day, and they found this cool boat. So they got onto the... Please fit on the boat. Oh, God. Alright, they got on the boat, and then it was a magical boat. Yeah, it's a magical boat. So then they started flying. So now they're flying, and now they're gonna land, and they're gonna see a genie. Okay, and and now they're back, and so now they landed, and they awoke to see a magic bag, and it says genie on it. So Officer Rick Grimes walks up to it and rubs the bag. You know, a genie comes out.
The hell do you want? I will grant you one wish. But one of you, not each of you.
Okay, I will grant you freedom, Paco said.
Wait, that I just think I want. Yes.
Yes.
No. I think you this.
Ah! Get back in the boat. Run.
There is no escape.
And our heroes are going back to their house. And they safely landed. So now they're all safety inside the house except for Satan. He's in the hospital right now. And that's the end of our story.